Anxiety is like rain. It makes the ground of our hearts so wet, so set for the erosion of emotions. Anxiety is like thunder clapping, trapping our souls in the net of its goal. Its goal is to frighten. Anxiety flashes like sudden lightning to make us fear what the future would hold. And again, like rain with storm, it makes our minds conform to the thoughts of the past and the pain of the present. Anxiety appears like a shadow, yet I can trace. I have seen its face. Anxiety is the demon, bitter to your soul like the taste of lemon. So why are you chained by its strings? Why are you slave to the chaos it brings? I have been a slave to this anxiety. So now I stand cautious, never to be the one who is anxious, because these eyes were not made to be the well of tears, and this heart was not made to be the home of fears.